guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to count the average number of the data that you have inserted or added to your Excel file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. After that, after typing in the data, tap on this AutoSum button and this arrow pointing downwards, and tap on average to count the average of these selected numbers. Then hit enter, and here you can see the average number counted or calculated. It is added to the last cell. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.